Yo, what is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something massive that just came in for the Blazer. We finally got our 4L80 straight from Hughes. I am so excited to unbox this thing. I'm just gonna stop talking here and just get straight to unboxing this.
ISO Indies, where y'all from?
ISO. Indies.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Live free, speak your peace. Stay humble in these streets, yeah. In these streets. Let's go. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the...
So here's what we got. This is a fully decked out 4L80, reed case, everything done to it. It can hold up to or more than 2,500 horsepower. Like, this thing's just a baller ass transmission. I'm so excited. This is the first ever transmission that I've ever bought, like serious big time transmission, so pretty big deal for me. Can't wait to put this in whenever I get to it. Once I get the whole parts list and all that sent from Hughes, I'll give you all the specs and what's done to it. Just right when I was about to throw this away, I noticed there was something in this little packing slip. It's a little dyno card on how my transmission performed on the dyno, as well as a SFI sticker to put on my transmission. It's the end of the video, so I appreciate you guys for stopping by, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.